The crypto markets have been in a downtrend throughout the past year, with the Ukraine-Russia emergency, fresh insight about Biden, marking a chief request on crypto guideline, downturn fears, and being related to a remedy in the S&P 500. There's new bullish information for Cardano financial backers, however. Its engineers declared 3 significant overhauls will be carried out, 1 executed up until this point. We'll list those in this aid and our ADA cost expectations. End of 2023. On the off chance that all ADA updates are effectively carried out, it could recover and flip the $1 obstruction level to help toward the finish of 2023, printing large-scale more promising low points, affirming another bullish market structure. End of 2024. The updates could assist ADA with drawing in additional clients and financial backers in the approaching year, as ADA looked at to contact the $2.5 level after a couple of likely pullbacks. End of 2025. If the crypto markets rally and the approach the 2024 Bitcoin dividing, the most bullish ADA crypto value forecast would see it making another ATH in 2024, going into cost revelation until coming to the $4 level. End of 2030. Expanded crypto reception would prompt the utilization of Shroud agreements stages like Cardano before long. Subsequently, ADA could keep picking up speed and possibly come to the $10 mark. Cardano most recent news. Cardano's group is set to deliver a product tool compartment soon that will allow designers to make uniquely crafted sidechains on the Cardano stage to upgrade the biological system's development possibilities. The declaration was made on 12 January by Information Result Worldwide, IOG, a blockchain designing organization established by Charles Hoskinson. The send-off of DJED, a new algorithmic stablecoin on the Cardano mainnet, has been an idea as of late. This new token is fixed to the US dollar and supported via Cardano's local digital money, with the Shen token going about as its hold cash. The token went through an effective security review and has been being developed for north of a year. Notwithstanding, Cardano has seen a dunk in ADA possessions among significant wallet holders. Whales with ADA token sums going from 1 million to 100 million have diminished their Cardano possession, probable because of benefit taking after the January upswing. Cardano value history. The Cardano cost started exchanging at just shy of 2 cents when it opened up to people in general in October 2017 on Bittrex Trade and later Cryptopia, which was hacked and sold. Presently old, highlighting the significance of picking very much controlled crypto trades, assuming you put resources into Cardano or any crypto resource. Understanding the 40x profit from speculation, 4,000% return for capital invested, made from that point forward as an early financial backer, could never have been conceivable, assuming your ADA had been held at trick site or low security stage. During the 2017 crypto bull run that saw retail financial backer FOMO, apprehension about passing up a major opportunity, push the Bitcoin cost to $20K. ADA spiked to more than $1 in something like 3 months of send-off. During the 2018 bear market, it then completely remembered the entire move, back to 2 cents. One of the OG altcoins, that bull run and inversion, embodies the unpredictability of cryptographic money and shows it is time on the lookout. Not timing the market that significantly impacts a financial planning methodology, close by mitigating risk, DCA, to get a superior typical section. Don't bet everything at one cost. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Generally, Cardano has been delayed to execute essential updates on its guide or see the advantages of them. The Cardano People Group has likewise been the objective of FUD, dread, vulnerability and uncertainty via virtual entertainment. Pioneer Charles Hoskinson once remarked, "You don't see this in different enterprises, you don't find in material science or cell phone assembling, or whatever, pick an industry. How much tribalism, disdain, and hostility that our industry has for one another." Financial backer Spot is cautioned in a market knowledge a downturn may likewise be coming, which wouldn't look good for the monetary business sectors, particularly more risk on resources like altcoins. In bear markets, coin costs actually don't climb in light of positive news refreshes. Reaccumulation. In the most negative case, Cardano could enter another drawn-out bear market in a sideways exchanging range under $0.5 in the event that it needs additional opportunity to collect before the following cycle. The upside of that will be that the more drawn out the aggregation, the more hazardous the vertical move. Shutting a month-to-month flame above $0.7 would major areas of strength for be of bullish continuation. We'd incline toward bulls over the bears for a retest of the ATH toward the finish of 2023 in the event that it figures out how to break $1 in 2023. With everything taken into account, Cardano could test the $0.7 win obstruction range toward the finish of 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. In spite of most of estimates being hopeful, there are sure factors that make us question the result. The profoundly expected blockchain update is supposed to drive costs up, however, imagine a scenario in which it doesn't satisfy hopes and misses the mark. Digital money costs frequently answer decidedly to overhauls, as exhibited by Ethereum's X5000, which sent its worth taking off above $3,000. Be that as it may, Cardano's worth dove by practically half after the send-off of Alonzo. In spite of this misfortune, Cardano stays devoted to working on its items even in a bear market. This settles on it a strong venture decision as its utility grows, separating it from its rivals. This pattern upholds an inspirational perspective for Cardano, persuading numerous specialists to think that ADA will hold its worth after some time. Putting resources into Cardano's utility token might take care of as the digital currency market gets once more, possibly sending ADA's cost taking off past its past ATH. Subsequently, Cardano could proceed with its ascent as it endeavors to enter the $2.5 zone before very long. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. The following Bitcoin dividing is projected to occur in WAC 2024, and the 2021 crypto bull pursue occurred in no time. The 2020 Bitcoin splitting that saw Bitcoin move past its past top of $20K to $69K. And the absolute crypto market cap go from $1 trillion to $3 trillion. Accepting Cardano holds its general worth versus Bitcoin on the ADA-BTC pair, presently 0.000016. Then, at that point, assuming the Bitcoin cost one day hits $500,000 K as certain financial backers foresee, that would put the ADA coin cost at $4. That depends on Cardano not failing to meet expectations or outflanking Bitcoin starting here in time onwards. Just expecting stable, according to remember 0.000015 ADA-BTC is a significant verifiable conversion level, being support in 2018, obstruction in 2019 and 2020, then help again in 2021. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. Notwithstanding a drop in 2022, ADA is supposed to offer some benefit and great returns from now on. Notwithstanding, cryptographic money markets are exceptionally unstable, so it's significant just to contribute what you can stand to lose. Cardano's new presentation of its first stablecoin is a significant achievement, and more stablecoins are being created on its organization. Emergo's new United States dollars-supported stablecoin, USDA, will be the first completely managed stablecoin in the Cardano environment. As the digital currency market develops, Cardano is ready to help over the long haul as the world movements towards a decentralized future. In the event that markets endeavor to push costs up, a break above $9 is supposed as they endeavor to shake off negative feelings and recapture forward movement. A few experts accept ADA could top as high as $10 by 2030.